Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to another video. I don't know if I said that already in the intro, but if I didn't, welcome y'all. Y'all, we just went shopping and I actually forgot to record everything. So I'm about to give y'all a haul. I don't know what's happening. Like the memory is not there because the way I be forgetting stuff, man. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna set everything up on the table and give you guys a haul because I apologize. I did not record my grocery shopping, so I'm gonna give y'all a haul. So let me set everything up and then I will go ahead and tell y'all what we got. So this is the majority of the stuff we got. All of the meats in the fridge. I got, of course, my deli meat. You guys know that you usually get deli meat. I also got our turkey that we put in the fridge, as well as some ribs and something else. I can't remember. Anyways, that's basically it for the meats. What?
Shrimps.
Shrimps. We got shrimps. I'll be reminding me. So we got shrimps. Okay. Then we have some bread. This is like my favorite bread right here. We got some bread. Move this out the way. As well as some blueberry muffins because your girl's craving. If you're female, you know. Anyway, this is the cake for hubby. It's a cherry chocolate something. It's called Schwarzwälder Kirsche Sahnetorte. So yeah, a black forest cherry whipped cream cake. We also have some little cookies and snacks that's going to go inside the cookie jar, our warm cheese, some wine to go with our cake and stuff for hubby's birthday. I don't know if I said that, but it's going to be hubby's birthday, so this is the cake and the wine is for hubby's birthday. We also got some eggs, my basmati rice, some raisin bread for me mostly and hubby, some tea, of course, peanut butter. We got some cream cheese, some cheese, Gouda, and y'all say Gouda, hey. In German, they say Gouda, so Gouda cheese. We have some cheddar cheese, milk. This is a liquid butter, but it's a vegan butter or a plant butter. We also got some salad dressing, as well as some carrots. I may be making a carrot cake for Christmas, not sure yet. We got some paprika, a salad. Salad is lettuce in English. Onions, lemon juice, and coffee. Yeah, and that's basically it. We didn't get a big order this time when we went out, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna put these away and I will catch up with you guys later on down. After grocery shopping, we were just too exhausted to clean the fridge afterwards. So what I did was we just wiped down all of the groceries because we do wipe our groceries down before we put them in the fridge in the cupboards. We just wiped everything down and put them away. And now it's the next day and I'm deciding to now tackle the fridge. I should have done it the day before, but I was just too tired, y'all. Like the energy is just really low. So that's what we're going to be doing now. I'm going to take everything out of the fridge and just wash out all of my containers as well as clean out the fridge. I sprayed the fridge down with my Sagraton. You guys know I absolutely love that product. So I just sprayed it down and left it in the fridge for a while to do its work. Until then, I'm going to wash out all of the containers and the shelves from the refrigerator.
after all the shelving and the containers were dry, I just went ahead and added them back to the fridge, as well as restocked the fridge with the groceries that I had to take out just because I was just too lazy. I'm gonna say it's tired. I wasn't lazy, I was tired because I was too tired to do it the day before or the day of grocery shopping. Since I was already in the kitchen deep cleaning the fridge, I thought why not just wipe down everything else. So I'm wiping down all of our machines as well as the cupboards, cleaning the stove as well as the oven. I'm already here, so might as well just get it all done. After the kitchen was in order, I cleaned the floors and then I went ahead and got myself together because it is hubby's birthday. So I went ahead, did my makeup and my hair and got dressed, and we went out to our favorite Greek restaurant for dinner. We had a nice meal and then afterward had some drinks, and it was just a time. I enjoyed myself and hubby did as well because it was his day, of course. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give the girl a big thumbs up. It would definitely help my channel get into the algorithm, and definitely stay tuned because we have more videos, cleaning and organization and all that good stuff coming up. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, Auf Wiedersehen.
Ja,